In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change the font size in Windows 11. So press on your keyboard Windows logo plus I, and now we have to go to personalize, and here we have background. Here we also have color. From here you can turn off transparency if you want. And now right click and click on display settings. You can also go to system and click on display. And now here we have scale. Now from here you will be able to change the scale of the font. Now as you can see, the font is really huge. Now it's really huge. I hope OBS will not crash or didn't crash, because sometimes it does that when I change the resolution, the scale. Actually, I didn't change the resolution, but anyways, from here you change the resolution if you want to change the resolution, and from here you'll change the size of the text, apps, and other items. So I really hope, guys, you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.